New Ling 3.0 Flash just became free. Ling 3.0 Flash just got a free speed upgrade, and the numbers behind it are genuinely hard to ignore. Inclusion AIEC, the team behind Ling 3.0 Flash, just open sourced something called DSpark. It's a tiny 1.36 billion parameter draft model built specifically to make Ling 3.0 Flash dramatically faster. When they tested it on 4 NVIDIA Blackwell GPUs, Ling hit 1,120 tokens per second. At batch 1, one user, one request, 1,120 tokens per second. Before DSpark, the same setup was doing 288 tokens per second. So this is roughly a 4 times speed jump from a free open source upgrade. That's what today is about. Here's what I'm walking you through. What Ling 3.0 Flash actually is, what DSpark does, and why the speed jump is so big. And then the part most people skip, how to use this inside a real business. Every example I'm giving you today is built around the AI Profit Boardroom, so you can see exactly how this works in practice. Let's go. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. And Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Ling 3.0 Flash is a 124 billion parameter AI model, but it doesn't use all 124 billion parameters for every token it generates. Only around 5.1 billion are active at any moment. The rest are on standby, ready when needed. This is called a sparse mixture of experts architecture. Think of it like running a business with 500 specialists on your team. You don't put all 500 in every meeting. You call in the right people for the right job. That's how Ling works. Massive capability, smart about when to use it. And it was built specifically for agent work. It was trained across 10,000 plus interactive environments, coding agents, deep research agents, tool calling workflows, long multi-step tasks. The whole thing was designed around completing work, not just answering questions. That distinction matters a lot for how you use it. Now, DSpark, here's how it works in plain English. Normal AI generation works like this. The big model generates one token, then another, one at a time. Each step requires the full model to do inference. That's slow. DSpark adds a tiny draft model into that loop. The drafter, 1.36 billion parameters, runs ahead and guesses the next several tokens. Then the big Ling model checks those guesses. If they're right, it accepts them all at once. If not, it corrects from the point where things went wrong. In the benchmark, Ling was accepting nearly 10 tokens per verification step. So instead of the big model working on every single token individually, it's doing one verification pass every 10 tokens. That's where the speed comes from. Progression, the LMSYS team documented. Baseline, 288 tokens per second. After graph optimization, 526. After further tuning, 606. After DSpark, 1120. Response time dropped from 3.33 milliseconds per token down to 0.78 milliseconds. That last jump from 606 to 1,120, that's DSpark doing exactly what it was built to do. Important note, this was a controlled benchmark. 4 Blackwell GPUs, 8,192 token input. 1,024 token output. Concurrency of 1. Real-world results will vary based on your hardware and setup, but the direction is clear. Here's where I want to pause for a second, because if you're watching this and thinking, this is interesting, but I have no idea how to actually plug this into my business, that's exactly what we solve inside the AI Profit Boardroom. We've already built step-by-step workflows showing you how to use open source models like Ling 3.0 Flash inside your business, how to set them up, how to prompt them, how to connect them to your outreach, your content, your research, your lead follow-up. We run 4 live coaching calls every week where you can bring your specific setup, ask questions, and get help from people who are running these exact workflows right now. We've got a 30-day AI automation roadmap, so you know exactly what to do and in what order, no guessing. A prompt library built specifically around business workflows, so you're not starting from scratch. And business owners in the community, a lot of them already using open source models and agent setups to save time and grow their businesses. If you want to actually implement this stuff, not just watch videos about it, come join us. Links in the description and comments, or go to aiprofitboardroom.com. Now let's get into the actual workflows. Every single example here is built around the AI Profit Boardroom, so you can see how this works in a real business context. The first workflow is lead research and qualification. The AI Profit Boardroom wants to keep growing its membership. You've got a list of 500 business owners who've engaged with AI-related content online. Instead of manually going through each one, you'd feed that list to Ling with a prompt like this. You are analyzing a list of 500 business owners who have shown interest in AI. For each one, identify their business type, their most likely pain point around time and operations, and their stage of AI adoption. Then rank the top 50 most likely to benefit from an AI automation community like the AI Profit Boardroom. For each of the top 50, write one sentence explaining why they're a strong fit and what message would resonate most with them. Ling runs through the entire list, comes back with a prioritized breakdown: hot, warm, cold, with context on each person and what to say to them. That research process, which would have taken a full day manually, now takes minutes. The second workflow is content research and ideation for the AI Profit Boardroom channel. The community puts out a lot of content, videos, emails, posts. The research behind figuring out what to create takes serious time. Here's how you'd use Ling to cut that down. You'd feed it YouTube comments from AI-related videos, questions members are asking inside the AI Profit Boardroom community, Reddit threads from AI automation forums, and content from other AI educators. Then prompt. Based on this material, identify the top 20 questions that business owners are asking about AI automation that aren't being clearly answered anywhere. For each question, suggest a YouTube video angle that would work for the AI Profit Boardroom audience, a LinkedIn post hook, and an email subject line. Focus on business owners who want to save time and grow their customer base using AI. Ling goes through all of it, comes back with a full structured content plan. You're not guessing what to create. You're working from actual data on what your audience wants to know. A faster model means faster agents. Faster agents means more tasks completed per hour. More tasks per hour means you can automate more of your business and operate at a scale that used to require a much bigger team. That's the actual unlock. If you want to take tools like Ling 3.0 Flash and actually build them into your business, not just understand how they work, but get them running, the AI Profit Boardroom is where that happens. We've already mapped out how to use open source models inside real workflows, lead research, content creation, partnership outreach, campaign building, competitor analysis, all of it built around growing a business with AI automation. You get 4 live coaching calls every week where you bring your specific questions and get answers from people running these exact setups, a 30-day roadmap, so you know what to build and in what order. A prompt library packed with templates built around business workflows, including the kinds of Ling prompts I walk through today. And members in the community, a lot of them already deep into open source model workflows who you can connect with, learn from, and get support from anytime. The member map lets you find people near you doing the same thing. Links in the description and comments. Or go to aiprofitboardroom.com. And if you want the full SOPs, 100 plus AI use cases like everything I covered today and all the notes from this video, come join the AI Success Lab. It's completely free. Members already in there using AI to get more done every day. You'll get the full notes from this video the moment you join, plus access to the whole community. Every workflow, every prompt template, every resource we reference, it's all in there waiting for you. Links in the comments and description.